Hi, I'm Javon Sage, the food alchemist at Sage's Larder. Today, I just wanted to give everyone a picture and an idea of what it takes for me to get ready for one of my hands-on Ferment Frenzy workshops. I have one coming up next weekend here at Gilliard Farms, and so that means I gotta get fermenting. I'm gonna do some very light ferments, some kombucha. I'll also be making yogurt, but first I want to make sure that I get this sauerkraut and this kimchi fermenting for the next week and a half before my guests get here. So anytime I have a hands-on class, especially when we're exploring things like fermented foods, I always want to make sure that people can taste what I'm talking about. That gives people an opportunity to start to imagine the different flavors that they'll be able to make in their own home and in their own kitchen. So I've got to get to fermenting. If you have more questions about the Ferment Frenzy Workshop happening next weekend, feel free to reach out or head on over to my website, sageslarder.com. And for those students who have already signed up, this is what you have to look forward to, and I'm so excited to have you join me here at the farm so you can get to meet all of my chickens, learn about the history of this land, and then come on in the kitchen and get our hands dirty. So have a great one, and I'll see y'all later.